guys, my name is Ujjwal. I am back with another video for deca-head microscope, which is our model PH-999 Superior. Now I will show you the features of this deca-head microscope. Come with one trinocular head and 9 binocular heads. Dual color LED pointer, sextuple nose piece with DIC slot, 6 objectives which is 2x, 4x, 10x, 20x, 40x and 100x, rackless mechanical stage with X and Y movement, condenser, and we have a 15-watt LED light. This superior model comes with light intensity regulator with the light display system. This body comes with coaxial focusing with coarse movement and fine movement. Along with this, we have a ceramic stage with dual slide holder. As you can see, there are 10 heads, 5 in the front and 5 at the back. This trinocular head is 30-degree Sidentopf model with the field of view of eyepiece is 10x/22 mm and the IPD is 48 mm to 80 mm. This head also comes with a lever for trinocular port with 80-20 ratio. Rest all 9 binocular heads is of the same configuration of 30-degree Sidentopf binocular head. Now I will show you the results of this microscope under different objective magnifications. Now I have attached one of our 4K camera with touch display. I'll show you the camera at the back, and to get the view just pull out this lever. Now the result is focused under 40x. We just need to find focus. Now changing it to 20x. The same view you will get in all the 10 deca heads. So that's all for our model PH-999 Superior. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, please write in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you.